There is no no work of art that has made a greater contribution to humankind than Galileo's telescope, because it totally changed the entire process, society, religion, the process of science in that period of time. So one of the roles that we play is we sometimes forget how really crucial the process of science is. We must really celebrate that every day, because we tend to take it for granted. We tend to accept, you know, the use of our cell phones and the way we communicate. We don't think about it. But it is because of this extraordinary contribution that those have made that really distinguishes this nation and who we are. And I think it's those kind of goals that we hope our children will strive to.
As Dennis has brilliantly provided an exegesis of the scientific mind, right? The object, the producer of scientific findings. The other side of that coin, which is in many ways just as important and in many ways just as troubled in the United States, is the consumption of science, the creation of an educated citizenry that is well equipped to be responsible and intelligent consumers of scientific inquiry. So that's really the other side of the lights, pick your metaphor, or the other side of that coin. And that's, again, where while the institutions will, in that 1 in 1,000 and 1 in a million, and I suspect this will be one, produce the Franklin, in every other case, it has the opportunity, right? The inverse of that large, skewed ratio has the opportunity to produce a responsible and committed citizen of science, consumer, if you will, of science. And that, in many ways, is going to be the more profound opportunity for educational institutions.
I think science is inherently fun and fascinating, and whether it's looking at wildlife, as so many of our scientists do at the Academy of Natural Sciences, or trying to figure out why your cell phone works, or doing the robotics, as these students are doing right here every day, it's just endlessly fascinating. And our job is to, as educators, whether it's a museum or a school, I think is to get as much information out there as we can without making it scary, intimidating, or turning it into drudgery. And that's what good teachers do, and that's why this faculty here at Chestnut Academy is so extraordinary.